guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are fine. As you know, I have started the series of bachelor degree which is opted after class 12th. Okay? Then in this video, I will be discussing about BA in Home Science. If you get the result of class 12, you can easily apply to BA in Home Science. This is a bachelor degree of 3 years. Let's discuss each and every topic related to it. I will show you the overview in this video. What are the topics should be covered? Okay, our first, fees, entrance test, what are the top colleges in India, employment areas after you get the degree, what are its future scopes, and what after BA in sociology. If you want job or if you want to go for further studies, you can also go through it. Okay, one by one I will be discussing each and every topic. Okay, let's get started. Now the first topic is eligibility. What's are its eligibility to get this degree? This is the course level which is undergraduate. What are its average salary after you will get the degree? If you just apply for job, the fresher, if you have the experience or you are the fresher, their average salary is 3 lakh per annum. Okay, what is full form? BA in Home Science full form is Bachelor of Home Science. This is the undergraduate degree, okay, which is opted after class 12th. What is the duration? 3 years. Okay. Examination type, semesters and annual exam. It totally depends upon the college to whom you are studying. Some of the college take as semester wise, and some of the college take as an annual exam. Okay. Eligibility, what are its eligibility? 10 plus 2 examination, which is 12th, from a recognized board. Recognized board, it's anything. State board, CBSE, ICSE, etc. with a minimum aggregates of 50%. You should have at least 50% in class 12th. Okay, then you are eligible. Let's discuss about fees. Some of the students also ask, but what are the fees? What is the fee? What are fees? The average fees incurred is rupees 5,000 to 1 lakh per annum. Okay, the average fees means average मतलब कम से कम 5,000 to 1 lakh per annum. Okay, average fees for top institute, when you go and take admission in top institute of the India, their average fees up to 2 lakh to 3 lakh per annum. Per annum is per year. Okay, it also totally dependent upon the college across India. If you get the top institute, then the average fees is 2 to 3 lakh per annum. And if you are joined in the state itself, some of the college which are in your state, then it totally depend upon the college. The average fees is totally dependent upon the college. Okay, I hope आपको clear हो गया होगा. Let's discuss entrance test. In BA in Home Science, no entrance test is required. Only depend upon the marks you have obtained in the class 12. It totally depends upon the marks what you have scored in class 12. The top institute minimum aggregate is to 80 plus percentage in class 12 to get a top premium institute, or you can simply say the top colleges in India. I hope आपको clear हो गया होगा. Let's discuss what are the top colleges in India where you can take admission. First, Vidya Bhavan Mahila Mahavidyalaya Siwan, okay, which is in Bihar. Second, CM Dubey postgraduate का Bilaspur. Third, Bhilai Mahila Mahavidyalaya Darg, which is located in Darg. Fourth one is University of Calcutta, which is in Calcutta. And fifth one is Nalanda Open University. I have taken only the top colleges in India where you can easily apply for bachelor this degree. Okay, I hope आपको clear हो गया होगा. Let's discuss some of the job opportunities for Bachelor of Arts in Home Science. After clearing Home Science, BA in Home Science, some of the job opportunities were open where you can apply. Let's discuss one by one. The first one is production job. Second is research में आप जा सकते हैं, research job. Sales management में जा सकते हैं. Service jobs and teaching job. These are the job opportunities. Okay, let's move further. What are the employment area where you can apply? These are also the job opportunity for Bachelor of Arts, and this is the employment area other than applying this production of research job. Let's take what are the employment area where you can apply after you get the result of undergraduate bachelor degree. Okay, first one is fashion designing, second ड्रेस मेकिंग, यू कैन ऑल्सो गो फैशन जर्नलिज्म, कमर्शियल रेस्टोरेंट में आप काम कर सकते हैं, फूड इंडस्ट्रीज में आप जा सकते हैं, स्पेशलाइज्ड कुकिंग में, कंसल्टेंसी सर्विस में आप सर्विस दे सकते हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स में आप काम कर सकते हैं, होटल्स में काम कर सकते हैं, बहुत सारी बिजनेसेस में कर सकते हैं जैसे कि टेक्सटाइल, टूरिस्ट और रिजॉर्ट में भी आप कर सकते हैं अप्लाई। आप इस सब जगह पे आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट है जहाँ पे आपको जॉब ले सकते हैं। ठीक है, जिसमें आप इंटरेस्टेड है आप उसमें अप्लाई करके आप जॉब कर सकते हो। ओके, लेट्स डिस्कस व्हाट आर द फ्यूचर स्कोप्स। ये सब तो नॉर्मल हो गया एम्प्लॉयमेंट एरिया जो आप सिर्फ बैचलर डिग्री पास करेंगे। अगर आपको उससे भी बड़ा जॉब करना है तो आप बीए इन होम साइंस के बाद आप नहीं तो मास्टर्स कर लीजिए या पीएचडी कर लीजिए, जिससे आप और आपके लिए स्कोप खुल जाएगा। ठीक है, फर्स्ट वन इज कॉर्पोरेट रिसर्च में जा सकते हैं, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर बन सकते हैं, मैनेजमेंट में जा सकते हैं, सेल्स में जा सकते हैं, पब्लिक रिलेशन, यूथ सर्विस, कम्युनिकेशन इंडस्ट्री में आप ले सकते हैं, एजुकेशन सेक्टर में भी जा सकते हैं। दिस आर ऑल द फ्यूचर स्कोप्स अदर देन employment area. Let's discuss after BA in sociology student can pursue after you get the degree. Now it totally depended upon you, either take a job or go for further studies. And what are the BA in sociology student also pursue after graduation is MSc in sociology करते हैं, बहुत लोग PhD कर लेते हैं, बहुत लोग डिप्लोमा कर लेते हैं सीएस या फिर जो भी आपको जिसमें मन। ठीक है, आई होप आपको क्लियर हो गया होगा। ठीक है, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आप सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए चैनल को, कोई भी रेगुलर नोटिफिकेशन आएगा तो आपको सबसे जल्दी पहुंच जाएगा। ठीक है, एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो प्लीज हिट द लाइक बटन एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स। ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, थैंक यू।